Hello. This is my friend Spyder. Spyder's a double yellowhead and was obviously someone's beloved pet at some time or another. But as you can see, Spyder's a little flighty right now. He spent 5 years in the cage with no one thinking enough to take him out of the cage. As you can see, he doesn't bite. He's a good bird. He just needs a little love and attention. He's an excellent feather. If anything, he's a little overweight. And he is really a beautiful bird. And he talks. He says hello and a few other things. And says bird. Bark, 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 bark. So I like to say bird. There you go, Spyder. There you go, buddy. Thank you very much.